I have this dust collector for about 2 years now and it's been working fine. Here on the side is where you plug in your wire for the electricity. At the bottom you can see that there are some ventilation vents, and on this side there is only one button for switch on and off, and it comes with this removable filter. Because the filter is removable, it's very easy just to pull it out and vacuum it or just shake out the dust. If you need to replace the filter, I seen on Amazon disposable ones that you can buy. I will probably do that once mine doesn't clean very well anymore. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it into the electricity so you guys can hear the loudness. I have to push the filter back in properly. I didn't do that before. And yeah, so just I'm gonna let you listen to how loud this dust collector is. I'm gonna be filing some of my press-on nails, and you can see as well the suction power. I would say that the suction power is about between 70 to 80%, and the loudness is quite loud, but it does the job. It's a budget-friendly dust collector, so that's what you expect from something like this. The dust that I created today from these nails is very fine, so you probably cannot see it very well, but it's there. And on the table there are some particles as well. This not as much, but that's why I mentioned that this will collect 70 to 80% of your dust, and I still would recommend it.